2016 BMW 550i. Beautiful car. I'll show you guys what we done to it. Factory converter up there somewhere, the other one over there. Then he cut it off right here. And we said, okay, we'll run true duals for you. So we true dualed it with 2.5 all the way back on each side, as you guys can see. And then he's gonna get some new tips. But for right now, we just put him some singles out the back. He's gonna get some quad tips in next. So stay tuned. It was all cut off when he brought it in. We ran everything for him new. 2.5 straight pipe true duals on a 550i, only at Exhaust Addicts. Stay tuned. Here we go, guys. BMW 550i 2016. Fully true dualed, straight pipe, 2.5. Exhaust Addicts don't disappoint. Look at his face. He's been a fan of ours for 5 years, guys. He doesn't believe it.
So much better.
Ear candy. Ear candy. That sounds good. And it's got the pop, too. I love it. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. 112, bro. That's insane. I love that pop. That never gets old, man. Go ahead and back it up. Yeah, it definitely needs the brakes, bro.
Yeah. They just started doing that yesterday.
You guys can tell these tires are 6 months old. They were brand new 6 months ago. Not anymore. He's gonna get new tires, but he's had a lot of fun with it, so I don't blame him. Go ahead. Sick. You hear that spool? Dude, that's so sick.
Next is the down pipe,
Yeah.
and the X pipe.
Let you guys hear it on the inside. Look at the sticker on the front. Did you read the sticker? He's like, oh yeah. He bought it for $1.30 off eBay. TikTok shop.
Worth every penny.
Worth every penny. It's so funny. Yeah, that was awesome. Enjoy, guys. You hear the pop? That was awesome.